Hello, and welcome to our YouTube channel. Are you struggling to speak fluent English? Do you want to improve your English speaking skills and become confident in communicating with others? If yes, then you're in the right place. In this video, we'll share with you some effective tips and strategies on how to speak fluent English in 2025. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, this video is perfect for anyone who wants to improve their English speaking skills. Practice speaking every day. The first tip is to practice speaking every day. Yes, you read that right. Speaking is a skill that requires practice, and the more you practice, the better you'll become. Here are some ways you can practice speaking every day. Speak with a friend or family member in English. Use online language exchange platforms to practice speaking with native speakers. Record yourself speaking and listen to the recording to identify areas for improvement. Speak in front of a mirror to practice your pronunciation and body language. Listen to English media. The second tip is to listen to English media every day. Listening to English media can help you improve your listening skills, learn new vocabulary, and get used to the natural flow of English. Here are some ways you can listen to English media every day. Listen to English podcasts or audiobooks. Watch English movies or TV shows with subtitles. Listen to English music and try to sing along. Listen to English news or radio shows. Read English materials. The third tip is to read English materials every day. Reading English materials can help you improve your reading skills, learn new vocabulary, and get used to the structure of English sentences. Here are some ways you can read English materials every day. Read English books or articles. Read English news or blogs. Read English social media posts or comments. Read English signs or advertisements. Focus on pronunciation. The fourth tip is to focus on pronunciation. Pronunciation is a crucial aspect of speaking fluent English. When you pronounce words correctly, you will sound more natural and confident. Here are some ways you can focus on pronunciation. Listen to native speakers and try to mimic their pronunciation. Practice pronouncing individual words or phrases. Record yourself speaking and listen to the recording to identify areas for improvement. Use online resources or pronunciation apps to help you improve your pronunciation. Learn new vocabulary. The fifth tip is to learn new vocabulary every day. Learning new vocabulary can help you express yourself more effectively and confidently. Here are some ways you can learn new vocabulary every day. Use flashcards or vocabulary apps. Read English books or articles and look up new words. Learn new words from English songs or movies. Practice using new words in sentences or conversations. Immerse yourself in the language. The sixth tip is to immerse yourself in the language. Immersing yourself in the language means surrounding yourself with English as much as possible. Here are some ways you can immerse yourself in the language. Watch English movies or TV shows without subtitles. Listen to English music or podcasts. Speak with native speakers or language exchange partners. Use English language settings on your phone or computer. Be consistent. The seventh tip is to be consistent. Consistency is key when it comes to improving your English speaking skills. Here are some ways you can be consistent. Set aside time each day to practice speaking. Create a schedule or routine for practicing English. Use a language learning app or platform to track your progress. Reward yourself for reaching milestones or achieving goals. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. The eighth tip is to not be afraid to make mistakes. Making mistakes is a natural part of the learning process, and it's okay to make mistakes when speaking English. Here are some ways you can overcome your fear of making mistakes. Remember that everyone makes mistakes, even native speakers. Focus on communicating effectively rather than speaking perfectly. Practice speaking in low-stakes situations, such as with a language exchange partner. Learn from your mistakes and use them as an opportunity to improve. Use language learning apps. The 9th tip is to use language learning apps. Language learning apps can provide you with a convenient and accessible way to practice English. Here are some popular language learning apps: Duolingo, Babbel, Rosetta Stone, HelloTalk. Seek feedback from others. The 10th tip is to seek feedback from others. Seeking feedback from others can help you identify areas for improvement and provide you with new insights and perspectives. Here are some ways you can seek feedback from others. Ask a language exchange partner or tutor to provide feedback on your speaking. Record yourself speaking and ask a friend or family member to provide feedback. Join a language learning community or forum and ask for feedback from other learners. Use online resources or language learning platforms that provide feedback on your speaking. Additional tips. In addition to the 10 tips we've covered, here are some additional tips that can help you improve your English speaking skills. Practice speaking in different contexts, such as in a restaurant, at a store, or in a meeting. Learn idioms and phrasal verbs, which can help you sound more natural and fluent. Practice speaking with people from different countries and cultures, which can help you improve your pronunciation and comprehension. Use visual aids, such as pictures or videos, to help you practice speaking and improve your vocabulary. Common mistakes to avoid. When practicing English speaking, there are several common mistakes to avoid. Here are some of the most common mistakes. Pronouncing words incorrectly, such as id sounds or vowel sounds. Using incorrect grammar or sentence. Structure. Not using contractions or colloquial expressions. Speaking too slowly or too quickly. Not using body language or nonverbal communication. In conclusion, improving your English speaking skills takes time and practice, but it's worth it. By following these 10 tips, practicing consistently, and seeking feedback from others, you can become a confident and fluent English speaker. Remember, speaking English is not just about speaking correctly, but also about communicating effectively and confidently. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, and don't give up. Keep practicing, and you'll see improvement over time. Final thoughts. Improving your English speaking skills can open up new opportunities and experiences for you. Whether you're looking to improve your career prospects, travel to English-speaking countries, or simply communicate more effectively with others, speaking English can help you achieve your goals. So, don't wait any longer. Start practicing your English speaking skills today and see the improvement for yourself. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media for more English language learning tips and resources. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.